All right, so we've just left the pool area, and then, man, I've got Chase here with me, who's amazing, and he's on the property, so I'm going to let Chase describe this. Go ahead.
So this is one of our courtyards. This is essentially one of our other two courtyards. This one features a fire pit over in the corner, which is what I normally joke is the winter side. We also have two grills outside here for use if, for instance, there are too many people at the pool using the grills. We have some extra ones out here for your, if you want to make a quick dinner or something like that. So this is just a nice quiet area to hang out, maybe you know, have some conversations with friends, and overall just to enjoy your time here.
He's really right, and I hope you caught his joke about winter. We really, the truth is, we don't have too much of a winter. We did have a really, this past winter, that was unusual, but that's not normal. So I'm walking around, and man, look at all this beautiful grass and trees and bushes. This is really, really pretty. I like this feel in here, and it's totally surrounded. Can you see up here? So it's totally surrounded by apartment homes, and it's super private. So this is not really a sunning area so much. You're not going to get sun because there's so much trees, but it's really a great area to enjoy just privacy. So if you just need to get out and just enjoy some time with, you know, with yourself or with other of your friends, this would be a great area to go. And then this is what he was joking about, the fire pit. I like the fire pit. It's a nice size. You can sit on the benches, these stone benches, but of course you could also sit here on the chairs provided. And then there is that grill that's over here too. So this is a nice walking path all around here. So you actually could even, I don't know, maybe that's too small for jogging, but you could. It's a nice path. So anyway, here's this grill area, and it's nice. So I love this. This is great.